In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a session indicator on Tradingview, a process that will take us around 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding session indicators can greatly enhance your chart analysis by highlighting key market sessions. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open TradingView and load up your chart. TradingView is a popular platform for traders, providing access to a wide range of tools and data to help you make informed decisions. Once your chart is ready, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Here, you'll find the indicators icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. It will take you to a vast selection of indicators you can use to enhance your trading analysis. Now, in the search bar located at the top of the indicators dialog, type the word session. This will help you find the relevant indicators more quickly. After typing session, you'll see a list of results. From this list, you'll want to select either the session breaks or session indicator. These tools are designed to help you clearly visualize the start and end of different trading sessions on your chart, making it easier to see patterns and make predictions. Once you've selected the indicator you want to use, simply click on it to add it to your chart. This addition will immediately show up visual cues on your chart corresponding to the market sessions that are pivotal to your trading strategy. But we're not done yet. Customization is key to making the most of this tool. Next, you'll want to open the indicator's settings. This can be done by clicking on the gear icon, which is typically found near the indicator's name on your chart. This settings menu allows you to adjust a variety of options to tailor the indicator to your needs. Inside the settings, you can adjust the session times. This is crucial because different markets operationalize at varying hours depending on their time zone, and you want this to reflect accurately on your chart. Additionally, you can modify colors, a handy way to make sure each session is easily distinguishable at a glance. Visibility settings are also there for you to configure which sessions you prefer to see on different timeframes. Once you've finished adjusting these settings to your liking, remember to click OK to save your setup. This will ensure that your changes are applied and reflected in your chart. And there you have it, a quick and easy setup of a session indicator on TradingView. With this tool in place, you'll be able to better visualize trading sessions, which can give you an edge in your analysis and decision making. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you in your trading journey.